guys know how much I love these battery operated LiTHELi products, and this is kind of new to me. I've used it on a euonymus hedge. It worked great, and so for the first time I've decided to use it on my precious boxwood, which you guys know that heretofore I have only used my long-handled pruners, but I'm working in this border today and I really want something that will be very quick and very effective, and I think this is going to be just the ticket. So this is a 40-volt lithium battery operated pruner, hedge pruner, and like all of the tools for LiTHELi, they all have an interchangeable battery. And so all I have to do is just take it off of the charger or out of another piece of equipment. I'll always have one charged and just slip it in. It's really, really easy. Now you guys, this is very light. So I can do quite a bit of pruning without getting tired, without my arms getting sore. It's really a good thing. As I said, I tried it on a euonymus hedge earlier. But now I'm going to try it on this boxwood, which is, it's not wet, first of all. It's dry. And it's not too hot today, and it's not too cold, so finally I feel pretty safe in going ahead and tackling this job. Like I say, it's very lightweight, and what I'm going to do is start at the bottom and work my way up. I'm going to reposition myself, and as you guys saw, I can use it kind of vertically like this, or I can hold it horizontally or at a diagonal to get whatever shape I want. This gumdrop shape is really easy to establish. Just reposition myself and see what and how very quick work this is. I don't have on safety glasses because this is so green and pliable, but obviously if I was doing anything twiggy or branch-like, then I would definitely want to have on safety glasses. So I'll step back, kind of eyeball it. And there you go. That took no time at all. How long did that take, Stuart? 6 minutes. Okay, so in 6 minutes I did this. Now, if there are, because this foliage is so green and so pliable, if there's any outliers, because one thing about my garden that makes these really terrific for is that all of the things in my garden tend to be packed together very, very closely, and that is lightweight enough that I could do it quickly and effectively. If there's any outliers, because right now this boxwood is just really fresh, pliable new growth, that I can just get it with my clippers. And I am done in under 10 minutes. So there you go. You guys might want to try one of these hedge trimmers yourself. I'll put a link below with a direct link to buy a LiTHELi 40-volt lithium battery operated hedge trimmer.